Now let's introduce UDP, or User Datagram Protocol, the rebellious, carefree counterpart of the networking realm. This protocol boldly skips the formalities of establishing a connection and sends packets out into the digital ether without any preamble or handshake. It's fast and unrestrained, making it perfect for real-time applications such as online gaming, video streaming, or voice calls. However, a word of caution. UDP does not guarantee that packets will arrive in the correct order, or even if they will arrive at all, much like that one friend who perpetually forgets to RSVP to events. For aspiring ethical hackers, understanding when to utilize TCP or UDP is absolutely essential, as it equips you with the knowledge to analyze how different types of data traverse networks and helps you make informed decisions about the tools and techniques to employ in your cybersecurity endeavors.